Winston, what's this?
Winston's ready to get it as well.
Steady. Let's go. Come on, let's go, let's go. Come on, come on. What's this? Come on in. You coming? Yes.
She said, alright, I'm coming.
Once she's been in a few times, she's way more like happy to get in.
Right, you. I'm having that raspberry. Let me see this. Let me have it. Let me have it. Let me have it. Yes. Ha! I've got it. Scarps, look what I've got. Who needs a raspberry? This one. Come on in. Let's go. Come on. You coming? Let's go. Go, go, go. Scott, what's this? Come on in.
Nah.
Coming. You're like big fat. Oh, good boy.
Who's that? Oh, I ain't going up there. She's shouting.
Oh, who's my bestest boy, eh? Who's my bestest boy? Ready? Steady. Let's go. Oh, Winston, come here. Let's have a cuddle. Let's have a cuddle. Who's a good boy?
She's angry with
Such a
both of
good
you.
boy. Hey, who's the best boy? Hey?
I'm going to nick the raspberries. I'm going to...
Ready? Oh, I've got it. Where is it? Let's go this way. Scott, what's this? Who needs this one? Oh, yeah. Good girl.
I love it because I know Fizz wants it.
So many of them love the raspberries. It's because they're healthy.
Yeah.
And that's one of their 5 a day. What's this?
It's squeaking today, that raspberry.
Good girl. Yeah. Oh, sorry. What did we find, puppies?
Yeah, it does get a bit waterlogged.
What do you think? You going to drop it? Drop.
No.
Drop it. Yes.
Oh, it is.
Oh, look, I've got everything. Do you want this? Do you want his raspberry? Should I give it to Fizz? No. Should I give it to Fizz?
Don't give it to Fizz.
Let's go. Go. Yes, come on in. Let's go.
She definitely gets FOMO. She's like, I really want the raspberry. No.
This one.
Raspberry.
She just needs the raspberry. Shall I get the other one down for you? What have you got?